In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to create discount programs in the rental module, including promotion order value, promotion rental time, voucher order value, and voucher rental time to help you offer the best deals to your customers. Promotion programs can be applied to orders created in both the admin portal and the customer portal. However, voucher programs are only applied to orders created through the customer portal. When creating a rental order, if both promotion order value and promotion rental time programs are available, the system will apply a clear selection logic. First, it filters the promotions to find programs that are valid within their start and end dates, and that either include the selected customer or apply to all customers. Then, from these valid programs, the system selects the one created most recently, regardless of whether it's a promotion order value or promotion rental time. For vouchers, customers are free to use any code, provided the voucher is still within its validity period and the order satisfies all applicable conditions. Let's start with promotion by order value, a program that automatically applies a discount when an order's total value meets or exceeds a set minimum. To create a promotion by order value, first, click Add to open the Create New Promotion form. When creating a promotion, you first need to give it a name. This should be short, descriptive, and easy to recognize so you can identify it when managing multiple promotions. For example, 10% discount for orders from 1 million. Next, set the start date, which is the day the promotion becomes active. The start date must be today or a future date. You cannot set it in the past. Then, choose the end date, which is the last day the promotion remains active. After this date, no orders will receive the discount. The end date must be equal to or later than the start date. In the Customer Groups field, you can specify which groups of customers are eligible for the promotion. If no group is selected, it will apply to all customers. To target specific individuals instead of whole groups, enable the Select Customers option and choose them in the Customers field. If you select both customer groups and individual customers, the promotion will apply to any customer matching either condition. Similarly, the Product Groups field defines which categories of products are included in the promotion. If no group is selected, it applies to all products. To target specific items, enable the Select Products option and choose them individually. If both product groups and individual products are selected, the promotion will apply to any product that matches either condition. The discount type determines how the discount is calculated. You can choose percentage, e.g., 10% off, or fixed, a set amount off, e.g., $50. For instance, selecting percentage and entering 10 means a 10% discount, while selecting fixed and entering 50 means $50 off. The discount field is where you enter the actual value based on your chosen type. For example, if discount type is percentage and discount is 10, eligible products will be 10% cheaper. Finally, set the minimum order value, which is the lowest total order value required for the promotion to apply. This amount is calculated before tax. For example, if you set this value to $1,000, the subtotal of the order must be at least $1,000 for the discount to be applied. When all required fields are completed, click Save to store the promotion settings. After saving, you can review the promotion at any time by opening its detail page, where you can view all configured settings. And you can also update the promotion details if changes are needed, or delete the promotion entirely if it's no longer applicable. Next, we'll learn how to create a promotion rental time, an automatic discount program based on rental duration. The purpose of this promotion is to encourage customers to rent for longer periods by offering greater discounts the longer they rent. The discount is only applied when the total order value is greater than or equal to the minimum order value. The system calculates the discount per product line, according to the rental duration of each product. Now let's create a promotion rental time. Click Add to start creating a new promotion. In the New Trade Discount Rental Time form, enter the promotion name, such as Long-Term Rental, Special Price. Set the start date, which can be today or any future date, and the end date, which must be the same as or later than the start date. In the Customer Groups field, you can specify which groups of customers are eligible for the promotion. If no group is selected, it will apply to all customers. To target specific individuals instead of whole groups, enable the Select Customers option and choose them in the Customers field. If you select both customer groups and individual customers, the promotion will apply to any customer matching either condition. Enter the minimum order value, which is the lowest subtotal order value required for the promotion to apply. This amount is calculated before tax. For example, if you set this value to $500, the subtotal of the order must be at least $500 for the discount to be applied. Then, choose the discount type, either percentage or fixed amount, depending on how you want to apply the promotion. Next, determine which products are eligible for the promotion. If the product groups field is left blank, the discount will be applied to all products. You can also select one or more product groups to apply the discount, or specify individual products by selecting them one by one from the product list to be included in the promotion. If you choose both product groups and individual products, the system will apply the discount to any item that belongs to the selected groups or matches the listed products. After that, define the rental duration range by setting the From Day and to Day values. This range determines the length of rental that will qualify for the discount. For example, if you set From Day equals 1 and to Day is 3, the promotion will apply when the rental period is longer than 1 day and up to 3 days. You can create multiple ranges with different discount rates to reward longer rental. Finally, enter the discount value that corresponds to this duration range. Click Save to complete the setup. The promotion is now active and will be automatically applied to qualifying orders. Now, let's create a voucher order value that customers can apply when placing an order in the customer portal. From the Voucher Order Value tab, click it. In the new Voucher Order Value form, begin by entering a name for your voucher program so it's easy to identify later. Next, enter the voucher code. This is the exact code customers will type in at checkout to redeem the discount. Make sure the voucher code is unique to avoid conflicts with other promotions. Next, set the start date and end date. Remember, the start date must be today or later, and the end date must be equal to or later than the start date. In the Customer Groups field, you can select specific customer groups eligible for the promotion. Leave it blank, and the voucher will be available to everyone. If you want to target individual customers instead of entire groups, simply check the Select Customers option and choose them from the list. And remember, if you select both customer groups and individual customers, the voucher will work for anyone who matches either condition. The same logic applies to product groups. You can choose entire categories of products to include in the promotion, or leave it blank to apply to all products. If you'd like to focus on certain items, check the Select Products option and pick them one by one. Again, if you select both product groups and individual products, the voucher will apply to any item that meets either condition. Next is the discount type, which controls how the discount is calculated. You can choose percentage, like 10% off, or fixed, which is a set amount. For example, if you choose fixed and enter 25, the system will take $25 off the price of eligible products. Finally, set the minimum order value. For instance, if you set it to $1,000, the customer's order subtotal must reach at least $1,000 for the voucher to be applied. Finally, click Save to store your settings and activate the voucher. Now, let's create a voucher rental time program to give discounts to customers who rent for longer periods. Voucher rental time is a promotion designed to encourage customers to rent products for longer periods by offering bigger discounts the longer they rent. For example, renting for 1 to 3 days may get a 5% discount, 3 to 7 days, a 10% discount, and over 7 days, a 15% discount. The discount is automatically applied to eligible products when the customer enters a valid voucher code at checkout based on the rental duration and other conditions you set. Start by entering a name for your voucher program, something that reflects the purpose or theme of the promotion. Then provide the voucher code. This is the exact code your customers will type in at checkout to claim their discount. Next, set the start date and end date. Remember, the start date must be today or later, and the end date must be equal to or later than the start date. In customer groups, choose which customer groups can use this voucher, Leave it blank to apply to all customers. You can also check Select Customers to target specific individuals. If you choose both groups and individual customers, the voucher will apply to anyone matching either condition. Set the minimum order value the customer must meet for the voucher to be valid. Now choose the discount type, either percentage or fixed. Select one or more product groups. This is a convenient way to apply your voucher across an entire range of related products without having to choose each one individually. Or, you can also pick individual products. If you select both product groups and individual products, the voucher will apply to any item that meets either condition. Then, set the rental duration ranges along with their corresponding discounts. From day and to day, define the range of rental days eligible for the discount. For example, setting from day 0 and to day 03 means any rental lasting more than 0 days and up to 3 days will receive this discount. Enter the discount value for that range. You can add multiple ranges to create a tiered discount structure. For instance, rentals from 0 to 3 days get 2% off, while rentals longer than 3 days get 5% off. When you've finished configuring all the details, click the Save button to store your settings and make the voucher active in the system so customers can start using it right away during checkout. And that's it. You've successfully created your promotion and voucher. Now your customers can enjoy special discounts, and you can boost sales while rewarding their loyalty.